the free vibration machine. Vibration 1, vibration 2, vibration 3, okay? And this is the controller. Such as this controller, control for this one, the middle, the vibration 2, control for vibration 2. And the controller 1, control for the vibration 1. This is the counting system. For this counting system, you no need to set up. Each day when you open the machine, you need to open this, and then for this, the first one, you press. It will reset by themselves, and then you close. It's okay. Every day when you turn on the machine, you need to do first 1, 2, 3. You need to do it.